This patient was referred to me by a surgeon who performed CAIRS with a routine procedure, but the CAIRS segment was too close to the visual axis, causing a poor topographic result. I've overlaid over the CAIRS segment here, so it's quite difficult to see, but as you can see, it's very close to the visual axis. The procedure was performed 4 months prior, so the segments the incisions were fairly easy to open. And what you do for these procedures is get a DULC dissection instrument and just dissect the CAIRS tunnel more peripherally and then move that segment more peripherally. Dr. David Gunn and I are in the process of designing a curved DULC dissector for this. But as you can see here, except for the 6 o'clock position, it's quite easy to perform a careful dissection of that CAIRS tunnel, more peripheral, and then I use a longer, thinner dissection tool to do the 6 o'clock section. This was a case of pellucid marginal degeneration. These are a little bit less predictable than keratoconus is with the CAIRS procedure. So I've enlarged the tunnel more peripherally, and then you'll see in the next step, I move the segment more peripherally into that tunnel to achieve a much better topographic result. So you can see once I had enlarged the tunnel, I just go in with my reverse Sinski and move the CAIRS segment more peripherally in the cornea. This moves it away from the visual axis, and it really gave a remarkably improved visual and topographic result, even though the surgery was fairly quick and routine. Just moving that segment more peripherally made a big difference. You'll see at the end there's a little area where the tunnel will close down on itself over the coming few days. The topography takes a little bit to settle after these cases, as the epithelial remodeling can take a number of weeks. So I reassure patients not to expect much with their vision for the first 2 to 3 weeks, and then things seem to settle down at around the 6 to 8 week mark. So always important to give these cases time. But an excellent visual result and topographic result and nice routine surgery. There's always options to salvage cases where a CAIRS segment may have been put too central to the visual axis.